Speaker. Computer speakers or multimedia speakers are speakers attached external to a computer for better sound to view video, play audio, and doing some graphic entertainment work. The speakers receive audio input from a device such as a computer or an audio receiver. This input may be either in analog or digital form. Speakers are transducers that convert electromagnetic waves into sound waves. Analog speakers simply amplify the analog electromagnetic waves into sound waves. Since sound waves are produced in analog form, digital speakers must first convert the digital input to an analog signal, then generate the sound waves. The internal amplifiers require an external power source, usually an AC adapter. Speakers typically come in pairs, which allow them to produce stereo sound. This means the left and right speakers transmit audio on two completely separate channels. By using two speakers, music sounds much more natural since our ears are used to hear sounds from the left and right at the same time. Surround systems may include 4 to 7 speakers plus a subwoofer, which creates an even more realistic experience. There are different types of speakers available according to the sound system are 2.1 speakers, 5.1 speakers, 7.1 speakers. 2.1 speakers. 2.1 speakers are basically a pair of stereo speaker and a powered subwoofer. 5.1 speakers. 5.1 speaker is the common name for 6-channel surround sound multi-channel audio systems. 5.1 is now the most commonly used layouts in both commercial cinemas and home theaters. It uses 5 full bandwidth channels and 1 low frequency effects channel. 7.1 speakers. 7.1 speaker is a common name for an 8-channel surround audio system commonly used in home theater configurations. A 7.1 surround system splits the surround and rear channel information into 4 distinct channels in which sound effects are directed to left and right surround channels plus 2 rear surround channels.